And existing customers are significantly more likely to buy again than new visitors are to buy for the first time. So the idea is that this is clicked, they type in their email address, and the download now button does not work until they put in their email address. If they don't click on this, then they're still allowed to still go to their download, of course, but they would be missing out on joining the VIP club. So this is the file that the user gets when they purchase the product. It's a PDF that has how to download, how to transfer, and then they click to download the PDF. Then this takes them to the middleware where they can type in their email address right here, leaving that default checkbox, and then you can see the download now. When they click on the download now button, it takes them directly to their PDF download. All right, so the thing about Etsy is that Etsy doesn't provide any built-in email marketing tools. So I wanted to create a system to stay connected with customers after their first purchase. So the goal here would be to turn one-time buyers into repeat customers. And the information states that email marketing delivers an average return on investment of $36 to $42 for every $1 spent. Also, acquiring a new customer can cost 5 to 7 times more than retaining an existing one. And existing customers are significantly more likely to buy again than new visitors are to buy for the first time. So what I wanted to do was, since Etsy doesn't have something like this, for me to get my buyers who've already purchased from me to buy again, I ended up creating my own today. So what I did was I used a delivery middleware page that I created in PHP and posted on my website. So instead of linking directly to the purchased PDF, buyers are sent to a custom digital downloads max page before downloading their product. So here's what it looks like. So it is this modal that I have on my website that says the item name that they purchased. And I'll be showing a video of how to do this a bit later. So they have this checkbox that's clicked automatically on default, and it says, yes, I'd like to join the VIP club for free gifts, early access, and exclusive offers, and saying, of course, that you can unsubscribe at any time. So the idea is that this is clicked, they type in their email address, and the download now button does not work until they put in their email address. And so when they do click this, they're invited to join the free VIP club and receive exclusive discounts, product announcements, special offers, and early access to new releases. If they don't click on this, then they're still allowed to still go to their download, of course, but they would be missing out on joining the VIP club. So the whole point of this would be to collect permission-based leads. So by voluntarily entering their email address, customers give explicit permission to receive future marketing communications. So for example, I have somebody who's bought a Remarkable Paper Pro word search puzzle, and let's say that I release a new Remarkable Paper Pro Sudoku puzzle, or maybe a scheduler or planner or worksheet or 30-day PDF to do something, then because I have their email address, I would be able to market directly to them by emailing them and saying, hey, you bought once before, I deliver a quality product, and now I have a new product, so why don't you come and check it out? This is what I had mentioned before. If they don't want to opt into the VIP club, they can uncheck this, and then this button will activate again, and they can go directly to their download. So I'll be showing that in the video a little bit later. So the whole point is to build a valuable customer list. So warm leads who have already purchased from the store are more likely to be interested in future products, making email marketing more effective. So here's just a bit of the code that I wrote. So there's an index page that asks them if they want to join the newsletter. And then there's also some processing code that takes in their email address, saves it to a file, and then also emails me a copy so that I can see that they've registered immediately. I can see that. So I'll be tracking the VIP club signups over time to determine whether this middleware approach increases customer engagement and repeat sales. And so I'll be posting that a bit later once I've had a chance to monitor it. And like I said before, let's see it in action. So I'll show you how an order comes in, the PDF that the user receives, and then the middleware asking for permission to market to them, and then the user putting in their email address and then being directed to the product. So I'm going to show that here. So here is the product that I have put it on. I put it on 2 products so far. And so this is the 500 Sudoku puzzles. So this is the file that the user gets when they purchase the product. It's a PDF that has how to download, how to transfer, and then they click to download the PDF. Then this takes them to the middleware where they can type in their email address right here, leaving that default checkbox, and then you can see the download now. When they click on the download now button, it takes them directly to their PDF download. So they can click through it and they can download it to their device and start using it immediately. But I've gotten their permission to market to them because they've put in their email address previously on the previous screen. Here I'm showing that if you unselect it, you're able to still go directly to the download. No email address has been given, so this would be them opting out of it. So I'll be monitoring this over time and see if it allows me to get more repeat buyers. And finally, the thing I wanted to show was just where I am. So if you're watching these videos, you're probably following along with what I'm doing. So I want to share my stats as it stands right now. They're pretty low right now. So over the past 7 days, I've only had 37 visits. I am running Etsy ads as well. But what's good is that this conversion rate is quite high. Usually it's around 4% for most Etsy sellers. So as a new shop, I think this is pretty decent to have a 13.5% conversion rate. And so far I've made £12 over the past 7 days. So if you're interested in following along, come back here and I'll be posting more videos. Finally, if you want to learn more about selling digital downloads on Etsy, scan this QR code to download my free Etsy digital downloads playbook and discover the strategies I use to research, create, and market profitable digital products. All right, thanks a lot. See you later.